What's up, guys? Here you can see I'm surrounded with trains. This is the cleaning line, and I'm here to see what are the things going on. The work is going on properly or not, but I have some leisure time, so I want to tell you something. I want to convey something to you that's, I think, very important as far as any personal life is concerned. You can see, everywhere is train. So what we can learn from train is itself means to train yourself, to make yourself better by adopting new skills, or whatever the skills are, just hone it, serve it. Well, guys, the most important of things train teach us is what? Most important things train teaches, that is, life should be balanced. If any of the wheel get disturbed, the train will derail, right? So life should be balanced in every aspect of it. If in any of the situation, it's not like that the train departure from one station and in between from the the suppose like Vishakhapatnam to Secunderabad, it should be like it started from Vishakhapatnam and it will end at Secunderabad. So in between, the train has to be behave equally, uniform. It means what actually is giving the sense that we have to be consistent, we have to be persistent, we have to be equal, we have to behave equally with every person as well. Through this you can understand the moral values as well as the logical sense as well. Well, guys, the endless thing you can learn from the trains and all, because Indian Railway or any railway, whether Australian rail, American rail, it doesn't matter. What I mean to say is, this is giving us the life lessons. You do not need to go to seminar. That is also a good thing to do, this or that. But in every aspect of life, you can learn many things. So you can see. So as like from trains you can learn many things. It's like train is our body. Sometimes it get disturbed in the sense of like sometimes we ill, sometimes we suffer from lots of other things, relationship problem, family problem. There are lots of millions of things happen with many people, right? What I mean to say is, we have to make everything balanced. If the problem will come, as like usually less cooling is the problem comes with the AC coaches. Take an example. What we do is we just try to rectify it, and after rectification the train is perfectly good, becomes good to go for the for the journey. So what I mean to say is, problems is a part of it, and when problems coming, it is very good for you that problem is coming. If problem will not come, how can any person will get excel here? So it's good to come when the problem is coming to in your life, and it means you are moving ahead. If adverse situation will not come, how can you evolve yourself? Think like that, right? So guys, there's so many things, so many people, as like Indian Railway is not is limited to 1%, 2%, 3%. Indian Railway welcomes every person, so you have to welcome every person to in your life without the discrimination of like caste, creed, sex and all, right? there's so many aspects you can do. Well, guys, apart from this, there's millions of things to tell. Like this, so you can see so many workers are also working here. So we have to, give opportunity, whatever the help you can do for others. It is good to do because by helping you are not going to get less anything. You will explore, you will flourish in your life, right? So this is something like it's very important to help others. Power of sharing. You can see my video, power of sharing. I have shared lots of aspects of life on that video as well, guys. Right? What we can learn from it. When sometimes the situation becomes very worse, that sometimes we don't have any other option except to accept the fact that we sometimes seek the coaches. Seek the coaches means that coach is not fit to go for the journey. Instead of that coach, some other coach will go. Some other coach will go on behalf of that. When that coach basically go for the IOH line, that is for the maintenance line. After rectification, when that coach become good, then we attach that coach with any of the coaches, any of the trainers as per the instruction given by the higher authorities. We do the work, right? What I mean to say is now, like sometimes some problems are really very very worse, very critical. On that situation, we have to take the things very carefully. Might be it takes some times to rectify it, so we have to maintain patience, and as per the situation we have to do it. Not everything is not every time you come across good things. Sometimes you face very adverse situation. On that situation, you have to behave very decently. Otherwise, things will become more worse. As like if we will not maintain the trains, then the train will remain in the sick lane. That is not good as far as Indian Railway or any depot is concerned, right? So like before train comes to a station or anywhere, they horn it. As like in our life as well, when the problems comes or going to come, some indication you get. If you catch that indication, you can rectify the problem before coming in your life. Got it now? So there's so many aspects you can learn from. I have just touched few aspects of it, guys. Trust me, in everything you can learn so many things. It's not like this train, airplane, wherever you go, you can learn so many things from trivial things, right? It's not like trivial things. You can learn from very small things. You can learn from ant as well. That is so small. How can that ant give us the life lesson? But that can give a life lesson that is beyond your imagination. So guys, I don't want to drag it more. What I mean to say is keep learning, keep growing. This is Boucher. Subscribe this channel, say this video, and like to Banta hai boss. Why not? If you're getting something, if you're enjoying something, if you're realizing something, if anything is making and change your life on the behalf of that, just one like, you can't be. I don't think so. You're so bad or you're so rude kind of person. So guys, thank you so much. I like to share you. I like to show you more. Sometimes we have to enjoy as well, as like train enjoy also. Like on some occasions they are decorated by the many people, right? So train chain is a complete package through which you can learn so many things, so many aspects of life, and what else you want to learn from life. This is Life is very small to live and very long to cut, and this of that kind of things, guys. So enjoy your life, learn lots of things, earn huge money, become rich, do whatever you want to do. And I will also make further videos if I will get support of you guys, because without support of you guys, it is not possible to make further video. It is possible, but actually, like, subscribe, share, this gives me the motivation to make good videos for you guys, that should be good enough so that your life will improve. Got it? So with these worries, I'm going to wind up this video. Anyways, enjoy your life. Enjoyment is also very important. It's not like always to be serious or this or that. With enjoyment, just live your life fully and try to realize each and every second of your life. If any kind of problem in your life, if you think I can rectify it, write it down. And if I will fail, if I am able to, I love to make video on that topic. Right? Thank you so much, guys, to listen me, and enjoy your life.